Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. It's February 4, 2021. Welcome po sa Thursday edition ng The Stock Market Today. Magandang araw po sa aking mga classmates sa high school ng Batch 76, ang GRNet University. At binabati ko rin ang kaisa-isa kong anak, Samuel, who turned 23 today. Happy birthday, Sam. And before anything else, naghahanda po ako ng isang special presentation regarding the basics of the stock market for my classmates in high school. So antabayan niyo po yan mga classmates. Ang schedule po natin tentatively ay nasa February 20, 2021, Sabado. Pero to be announced pa po yung time. So mark your calendars. Antabayan niyo po yung basic presentation po natin. Ito po si Benji Chadoro. I am a retired bank officer who reviews the most active stocks in the Philippine market. I do this daily, and I started investing in the stock market in 2008. And I have been doing this daily stock market report in YouTube since August of 2020. And if the content is to your liking, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And in the meantime, meron po tayong balita sa Philippine Global Ranking sa 5G at resulta ng trading sa PSE. Lahat ng yan dito lamang sa Tuesday, February 4, 2021 edition ng The Stock Market Today. So let's take a look at the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. The index recovered and gained 44.29 points or 0.65%, almost the same that it had lost yesterday. From the looks of it, and since our indicators, the 20-day exponential and the 50-day exponential moving averages, are still above the candlesticks, the sentiment of the stock is bearish, meaning downwards ang trend. And this is confirmed by the relative strength index of 44.15. An RSI between 30 and 44 has a bearish is a bearish number, while an RSI between 50 and 70 is a bullish indicator. So let's now take a look at the market summary. Okay, 123 companies advanced, 99 declined, while 43 remained unchanged. By the way, I'm using the Investagram's platform for my technical analysis, market summary, and the list of the most active stocks, gainers, and decliners. There was wala pa tayong news on net foreign buying or selling, but in the sectoral indices, most of them ended in the green, except for the industrials and the services, which closed lower than the previous day. The gainers was led by the holding companies at 1.22%, while the all-share index registered a 0.53% increase. Let's now take a look at the most active stocks. By the way, we have news on the 5G, and as we review PLDT, I will be sharing with you the news. Okay, so now let's review the most active, the 5 most active plus some of the more active stocks. Let's review ACEN, DITO, Converge, BSC, JFC, BDO, and then let's do FNI, TEL, ACEX, and SFI. Okay, so let's now start with ACEN. Okay, ACEN had an evening start yesterday, and now there is a red candlestick. But the trend is still generally upward since our 3 indicators, the 3 moving averages, are under the candlesticks. Remember, if the indicators or the moving averages are under the candlesticks, that is a sign of a bullish trend. However, red candlestick to, no? And normally, this will be further confirmed if the in the following days we see red candlesticks which goes below our 20-day or 50-day moving averages. So in the meantime, ang nearest support ni ACEN or AC Energy would be here at 5.9 pesos. That's our nearest support for ACEN. Then let's take a look at Dito. Okay, Dito had a green candlestick today. There was a red candlestick yesterday, but the candlestick appears to be lower than the previous day, no? Yesterday the stock closed at 1350, but now it closed higher at 1398, or a 3.56% increase. And from all our indicators, the stock is still bullish, since the short-term, the medium, and the long-term indicators are all under the candlesticks. In the meantime, the levels that we have to look at would be here at the resistance will be at 1437, while the support will be at 11 pesos. So if you're doing range trading, the rule on range trading is you buy on support, sell at resistance. Pero guys, trade at your own risk, no? Kasi hindi laging nangyayari yung support and resistance, no? Napipierce kuminsan yan. But in general, gano'n ang nangyayari, no? Nagbabounce siya on support, nare-reject siya on resistance. And that is why you should have risk management, no? Kailangan nakaset yung stop loss nyo whenever you trade. Okay, the next is Converge. Okay, Converge. Uy, look at that. Looks like a breakout, huh? Yes, it looks like a breakout. It is a breakout because the surge in the stock started here on February 1. Tingnan natin yung earnings niya. It's down 82.84%, but there is net income pa rin siya. Okay, so eto si Converge with a 5.21% increase, or 0.86 points. And the previous resistance of Converge, actually may resistance siya dito eh. Diyan, sa 16.8 or 16.9. So na-pierce niya yan. And then the resistance before that was here. Yan, 1606. Actually, sa totoo lang, just to share with you, meron po akong Converge. Kabibili ko pa lang noong, I think, January 29, when it was at 915 pesos, I think. Dito yata 15 or 1590 ko nabili. Target price ko dyan mga 24, 25. Yun yung target price ko. So nakachamba tayo dito kay Converge, ano? If I'm comfortable already with my target price, then I sell the stock. Yun yung trading strategy natin. Okay, so that's Converge. And abangan natin sa susunod, ano? Kasi whenever there's a breakout, the tendency of the stock is either tumuloy yan, drawing natin, tumuloy pataas, o mag-move ng sideways. Mag-pullback, kumbaga, yan yung term na ginagamit, no? Pagka nag-breakout yung isang stock. Nagpo-pullback muna before it moves higher. So, yung next resistance level, I cannot plot it because there is no historical data to back it up. In the meantime, ito yung level na pwede nating tingnan, no? Yung last resistance level is 1685. And the stock is already oversold. Pero kung ano yan, kung if this is a breakout, then the oversold wouldn't really matter, no? Tingnan natin yung DMI. Okay, the DMI is at 14, so hindi pa siya at 30. No, so normal pa rin yung movement ng stock. Okay, next, let's take a look at BSC. Okay, si BSC, right under the candlestick. So I would say, bullish pa rin yung movement niya because yung ating indicators are still right under the candlestick. It's bullish to, I would say, moving sideways, no? Consolidating to bullish. So yun yung assessment ko dito kay BSC. In the meantime, let's place the support level of BSC at the 20-day exponential moving average at 1 peso. Yan yung support ni BSC. Okay. Then, JFC. For a while, hindi natin na-review si JFC. So, tingnan natin. JFC ended flat. and it appears to be moving sideways, at least for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days. Moving sideways. Pero, based on our candlesticks, bearish siya. Kasi yung dalawang indicators natin, the EMA 20 and the EMA 50 are over the candlesticks. And that is a sign of a bearish trend in the stock. Okay? So, in the meantime, I would say that the support is holding at the EMA 100. O, lagay natin dito. Tama, no? Mga 178, 177.60 yung kanyang support. Kasi yung EMA 100, nasa ba yung 178 eh. Yeah, it's close. So, 178.60 to 178.70 yung ating support kay JFC. Okay, and then after that, BDO. Okay, BDO. Nag-bounce siya dito, no? And there is triple bottom, pero triple top din to eh. So, it's still above, or the indicator is above our candlestick except for the EMA 15, EMA 100. Tingin ko moving sideways in general tong si BDO. No? Kasi alternating red and green candlestick siya. Okay. So, yung ating next resistance level, nasa 111 yung next resistance level ni BDO. Yeah, dyan siya. 111 pesos yung next resistance. 10-year support is here. 100. 101. Yan yung year support ni BDO. And it's moving, bearish to moving sideways. Then, FNI, ferronickel. Okay, ferronickel looks like it's moving upwards, but the candlestick is still above, no, the indicator is still above the candlesticks, and in general the stock appears to be moving sideways, bearish to sideways ang movement niya. So tingnan natin sa next the following days, on where it will go. The meantime, yung year support niya is 272, the nearest resistance rather, and the nearest support is nandito sa 230, 220 to 230. Okay, then TEL. Okay, TEL. May dalawang successive red candlestick. Sideways to bearish ang kanyang movement. Okay, yan yung assessment ko sa stock. Sideways to bearish. Kasi the candlestick now is below the indicator. Our RSI also is bearish, no? 46 to 47. Okay, we have news on TEL, no? Tingnan natin yung news natin dito. Actually, it's not TEL, but the telcos in general. PH tops global ranking in 5G technology improvements. The Philippines ranked number 1 globally in terms of improvements in 5G technology. So, number 1 globally in terms of improvements. Hindi siya number 1 in terms of 5G. Okay? Compared to 4G according to international analyst firm OpenSignal. OpenSignal's benchmarking in the global 5G experience, the report showed the Philippines led the rest of the world in improvements in 5G technology compared to 4G when it comes to a video experience improvement of 40%. Wow. The Philippines topped Thailand, which placed second. The Philippines posted a 29% boost, while Hong Kong showed an improvement of 14%. The country also overtook Australia and Hong Kong, ranking second in 5G download speed improvement with 10.1 times increase versus 4G of 111.2 megabits per second. Okay, now let me share with you the commentary of Nomura on that news item. Sabi niya ni Nomura, this is in line with the telco's commitment to improve network capabilities amid rising data demand. Note that Philippine mobile internet speeds, not specific to 5G, continue to lag behind Asian peers, suggesting opportunities for incumbent players to further enhance their services. We currently have buy ratings on Glow and TEL on the back of inexpensive valuations. Halos kapareho nung target price ko si Nomura. Okay, my target price kasi is 1,600. I have TEL in my portfolio, trading portfolio. My target price is 1,600. Si Nomura, ang target price niya is 1,603. Okay, guys. Pwede kayo maniwala dito, pwede ring hindi. Okay? Before you buy or sell the stock, do your research first. No? Kasi mahirap eh. If you will commit something, then it is based on what you think is right. Okay? Kasi the stock market is mostly unpredictable. Pagka sinabi natin, tataas ang stock pero bumaba. No? Kaya nga, very volatile ang stock market. You have to have risk management in place. No? May stop loss limits dapat kayo before you invest in the stock market. And study the fundamentals of the stock before buying or selling the stock. Not only in the technicals. Okay, so I do the technicals based on what I see in technicals. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong. Hindi po 100% tama yung technical analysis. Most of the time, it's right. But there are times that it goes opposite my view. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, after TEL, let's do ACEX. Okay, ACEX. Nag-profit taking si ACEX, no? After a breakout here, tapos nag-profit taking siya dito. No? Kung green candlestick sana yan, tumuloy yung breakout. So, now, it appears to be consolidating or doing a pullback. So, malalaman yan natin in the coming days. Ano? Kasi if we see another green candlestick surging upwards, then nag-proceed yung breakout ni ACEX. No? The nearest resistance kasi before the breakout is here. 17.70. And appears niya yun. No? Kaya nag-breakout siya. Ngayon, meron ba tayong historical data? Let's take a look. Parang wala. Oh. The nearest data lang that we have would be here. Abangan lang natin sa in the coming days where the stock will go. Probably it will consolidate first before moving upwards, or baka mag-breakdown. No? Hindi natin alam kasi this appears to be the highest level of the stock. 52-week high, tingnan natin. Yeah, this is the highest level. 2320 yung kanina. Yan yung 52-week high. Okay. So, yan yung support natin. I cannot plot the resistance because there is no historical data. Okay, next, let's take a look at, finally, SFI. Okay, SFI. Breakout din si SFI. May historical data kaya to. Kasi the nearest resistance bago siya mag-breakout was here. So, na-pierce niya, no? Na tumagos yung kanyang candlestick. And you see the RSI 75, very bullish, and it is overbought. So tingnan natin kung may historical data tong si SFI para masabi natin yung next resistance meron siya. Yung next resistance level would be here. Actually, na-reject siya dito sa 20.48 nung tumaan siya dyan, 20.48. And that level was, ano natin yung level? October pa, 2015. Tagal, bago niya na-reach ulit yung level na yun. Siguro yan yung pinaka 52-week high niya. Tingnan natin yung 52-week high. Yes, 2070. Okay. So, that's for SFI. So, as in a breakout, it would probably pwede siyang tumuloy kinabukasan o baka mag-pullback muna bago tumuloy pataas. So, that's for SFI. Yan po ang ating stock market report today, Thursday, February 4, 2021. One day na lang, Friday na. Ito po si Benji Chadoron, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik and see you in our next episode. Salamat po.